Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to install or add new VPN to your Windows. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. The first thing you need to do is you have to tap on the start button, then you have to tap on your settings option. After that there will be many options, so tap on network and internet, then you can see a VPN option here, tap on it. Then you can see add VPN option, tap on it, then select Windows built-in, then select or type any VPN name according to your wish. After that you have to have a server name or address. For that go to your browser and search for VPN gate. Okay, there will be many free address, so if you tap on the first link, so you can see there are a list of VPN here and these are the address. You can select any of it, so let me select this one. Okay, copy it, and the password and username is VPN and VPN. Okay, so go to the settings option, paste it, then select automatic, then in username type VPN, password type VPN, then click save. So it has been added. Then you have to connect it. Let's say if it is connected or not, and here you can see that it has been connected. Here you can see it has been connected. So this is how easily you can add new VPN to your Windows. And if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.